Hi everyone, this is Imranimu and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. In this channel I upload web design, web development related videos. So in this video I just show you how to work with Elementor page builder. If you are very beginner to Elementor, just want to work with it and try to design your WordPress website live, this video will be for you. And after this video I promise you will learn Elementor and you will start designing your WordPress website with Elementor. And I'll also use Astra, the popular WordPress free theme, to complete the project. Well, here I'm on the dashboard of my testing website and I will show you everything step by step. Please follow the every step and just let's see the details of Elementor page builder. I'm just going to scroll down and a lot of text, I can read everything. Okay, and what I would like to show you that this plugin has 30 plus free widgets. Okay, here goes all the widgets and I have already took all the widgets name and I will show you how to work with all 30 widgets. And again I'm on the dashboard, and from the dashboard I'll just install Elementor free plugin and Astra theme. First of all, I'm just going to install Astra. Just from the appearance, hit themes, just click new, search for Astra and hit install. Just activate. Okay, now it's time to install Elementor. Just get the plugin name and from the plugin section just hit add new, search for the plugin and hit install now. Well, now activate Elementor. Here goes it. I have 3 plugins: Classic Editor, Contact Form 7 and Elementor. And you can see on the left, Elementor has created 2 sub menus, Elementor and templates. And you can see on the left, Elementor created 2 menus, Elementor, and it has several sub menus, and templates with several sub menus. If you have time, you can just go through all the things. First of all, settings. It will work with page and post and style, the generic font size sans serif, content width and space between widgets, lots of default things. Just keep all the things default, don't need to do anything right now. Just go to the advanced tab. And how will it write CSS? I prefer external CSS and it saves changes. And templates, we don't have any templates, just keep it default. Well, we have installed Elementor to design a page. Let's see my pages, all the pages. I don't have any page right now, so I'm just going to create a page. Just hit new, and when you want to create a page from this environment, you will see edit with Elementor. You will see edit with Elementor. Just name the page home and hit publish. Well, I have something else. Here you will see Astra settings, as we are working with Astra theme. Okay, and first of all, sidebar. I'm just going to show you the page now. This page has right sidebar, but we will design a site, so we don't need sidebar. So in case you are using Astra theme, you will just keep this option, no sidebar, and hit publish. Now reload this page, you see no sidebar. If you want, you can keep the, what should I say, menus. Now again, layout type, by default it is full with content. And if you don't like this header, then you can disable the header, disable title, disable featured image, disable footer bar. Then it will then it will remove this footer bar. Okay, hit update. Okay, just keep the header, it looks cool, and you will see transparent header. Do you want transparent header? Then click enable or keep disable. Update. Now how it looks? Cool. Well, the main purpose of our training is to learn Elementor plugin. So just hit this blue big button, edit with Elementor. Now it's the start of your journey with Elementor. For the first time, you will just click on the hamburger menu and you can just choose the default colors. If you want to keep this default color palette, then keep it default. If you like this one, say for example this one, just click on it and it will be changed. Click on it, it will be changed. Click on it, it will be changed. So this way you can change color palette. If you don't like any, just hit the reset button, then it will go back to the default one again and hit apply. Okay, again click on this button and default font, you can manage the font here. The default font is Roberto. You can get Google Play font, you can get Google font, Google web font. Here on this website you will get firstly the Roberto font, and you can also get some other font, Lato, and etc. So you can change the font from here. I'm just going to give this font name, and I'll just search for here, and here it is. Okay, secondary headline, also this font, body text, this font, anchor text, and hit apply. Okay, I just showed you how to manage the default style. Okay, just showed you how to change the font. Well, now I'm just going to click on this box icon, and here you will see all the basics widgets list. Your first job will be create a section. Okay, from here you can create section. Just click on this plus sign and you will see several options to create a section. You can create a full column section, or you can create 2 column section, 3 column, as you like, but start with the first one. Okay, otherwise you can start with any pre-made template. Just click on this folder icon and it will show up you several pre-made template. Okay, and if you like this one, say for example, it will be inserted and you will get a website. Just click on this insert. The insert process is done and you can see your website just within a few seconds. Okay, hit update. Now if you want to see this website, just click on this I button. It will create a new tab and show you the live preview. Okay, it's a pre-made template. What I will do, I will just delete everything. Well, first thing first, we'll just create section. Now just hit plus sign and start with a on column section, and here goes the section. And if you don't like, you can just hit this cross sign to remove the section, plus sign create the section, and this cross sign to remove the section. And on the middle you will be able to edit section, and here you will add a new section. Okay, new section, and on the middle you will get edit section. Okay, just right click on it and you can edit. Okay, edit section. When you click on it, on the left you will find the respective options to manage this or design this section. Well, the first tab is layout. How will the layout of this section, and content width, boxed or full width. By default is full width, and column gap, no gap, narrow, extended, wide, wider, just column gap. And height of this section. Now you see the teeny section, or just scroll, just click on this select option and you can set the minimum height. It's 400 pixel height, or you can fit to skin. It will automatically fit my skin. Okay, just set minimum height of 400 pixel, or you can select the virtual height of any percentage. I'm just going to choose it to 90%. 90%. The section will be 90%. Here goes the last end of the section. And column position middle, content position middle. I will put the content in the middle and keep it default. Now I'm just going to style this section. Just click on this style tab, and here you will find firstly background. Just change the background of this section. You can get three types of background: background image, gradient, and video. Okay, the firstly classic background, background color. Here you can see the nice background color. You can change background color, or what should I do? You can add any image as a background. I'm just going to click on it and put this image. Here it is. And you see the section background color is an image. You can anytime delete the image. You can put gradient. Okay, nice gradient. You know, gradient is a mixture of color, and the first color is blue and second color is, what should I say, it's probably purple. Okay, and the gradient type linear, radial, and position center, center left, top center, what should I say. Okay, now you can set the gradient background for your section. You can also set an YouTube video or Vimeo video for the background. I'm just going to set up video nature. This video. Well, here goes the background. So we can add any YouTube video as background also. And start time, from the time the video will work or start playing, end time. Okay, background fallback. If this video don't play, you can add any extra background. Okay, and you can put background overlay color or overlay image, background overlay color. Okay, green. Good. And on the advanced tab, you can add margin, say for example 10 pixel margin overall or 100 pixel margin, and that's all. You can exclusively add margin for top or bottom, just the margin for top only. You can also add padding of 20 pixel. You can see the padding. Okay, just 0. And motion effect and custom CSS, but it's available on the pro version or responsive mode, how it look on the mobile device and tablet device. Well, that was all about the section. In this way you can just work with sections. I'm just going to click on this button, just follow my cursor, and now I'm just going to add any image. Finally, add an image here. Go here and content, layout, style, and just remove this YouTube video. And for background we will just add an image. This image. So here it is, an image as the background. So the position of the image, here you will get options, lots of options to position the background. I'm just going to choose center, and attachment fixed. The background will be fixed, you can see, and repeat, no repeat, and size cover. Okay, that's cool. And whenever you do any job, just don't forget to hit this update button. Well, you can also add shape divider for the background. Type trill on the top. None, just bottom. Here bottom you can add any shape divider. Trill, you can see this option, and you can manage the height and width of the trill. You can also flip it, it goes here. Here you can see this section has one column, and firstly what I will do, I will just show you how to work with this heading widgets. Okay, here goes it, and just on the left, just left click on this widget and it will be highlighted. You can see the elemental color, and just drop here. Automatically you will see three options about the content, style, and advanced. From the content you can just change the content, as you can see the heading and WordPress. I just changed the content. Okay, and you can just, what should I say, link this. Okay, or you can just change the size, medium, Excel. Okay, you can just change the HTML tag, H1 tag or H4 tag. Okay, whatever. And here you can see alignment, you can align it. Okay, just left, already it's left by default, and center, right, and justified. Okay, I'll just start with center. Let's see the style option, and firstly you can change the color. I'm just going to change the color to white. And typography, the default font family, or you can just search any. Whatever, just play. You can see play a Google font or Lato. You can choose any font. Okay, and font size, you can manually change the font size here. Font transform, uppercase, with default 900, style normal, and decoration underline, overline, line through, none. Okay, line height, EM, by default it's EM, you can turn it to pixel, 36 pixel, 72 82 pixel, letter spacing. Okay, hit update. And text shadow, you can add text shadow. Just first is take the color, black color, and just horizontal, vertical. Just change the color to make it clear to you. Okay, if you don't like, just hit this icon to back to the default. Okay, blend mode, screen, multiply, that will blend to the screen. Just keep it normal. Here it is. And from the advanced, you can add margin to this heading. Just margin 100 to all, just top, left, right, overall 100. If you want specifically put margin for the top, just click on this link icon, it will break it. Just now you can put 100% for top, 100% for bottom. Now you can add 100 pixel for top and 100 pixel for bottom. You can also make it to percentage. Just hit on this percentage icon, then you can top margin for 10%, bottom 2%, just 2%. Okay, I think pixel will be better. So top margin 100 pixel and bottom margin 100 pixel. Okay, and padding. If you want any space inside this column, then you can add padding 10 pixel. Here you can see 10 pixel. Okay, now you can add background for this column background type, color, white color or black color or any color like this color. Okay, and you can also make the color transparent background color. Custom positioning, responsive, custom CSS. Okay, so that was how you can add any heading, this heading wizards. Just click on this box icon. Now you can see text wizards. I'm just going to put some text here and go to the style section, change the color first, white, and typography, default family, size 26 pixel, weight 600 or normal, transform, capitalize, style normal, decoration none. Just keep this default. Line height pixel, .36. Okay, hit update. That's the way you can add any text. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just come here and make any column. If you want to add any column inside this column, just come here on this column icon, right click and add new column. So you can see now it has 2 columns in this section. What I can do, I just come back to the heading again here you can see, and style, typography. I'll just decrease the size and come again here. I'll just and get to the text editor, get to the paragraph again. Just click on this pencil icon, and come over the advanced section or style, typography, change the font. Okay, now on the left you can see a column. Again hit here. Now you can add any widgets. I'm just going to add the image widget. Okay, again 3 option: content, style, advanced. From the content you can delete it and add any new image, insert media, and you can add any image. Okay, hit update. You can see this left arrow. If you click on it, it will hide the panel and you can see the website anytime. Okay, so this is the way you can add image also. Just if you want to edit this image, just hover over it and you will see the pencil icon and it says edit. Left click on it and anytime you can change the image size, medium, image size, and alignment of the image, caption, no caption, link, you can link type, style, you can manually manage the width and height of the image. Max width, you can select the maximum width on 100%. Well, and you can manage the opacity of the image. And add CSS filter, blur this image, or manage the brightness, everything. Just hit here to put the default opacity. Border type, solid border around the image. I just keep none. Okay, you can add box shadow to the image. And on the advanced you can add margin. You see I want to add some margins on the right, so clicking on the link icon to put individual margin. On the left I add 40 pixel. Sorry, on the right it will be on the right 40 pixel. Okay, 60 pixel. And you can add motion effect. Just fade in or fade in down. I want fade in right. Okay, again hit update and view the change. Okay, you can also change this effect for your title and for your text. Well, again you can add background to the image. You can add a border. Now I'm just going to click on this box icon. Well, let's see how to add button. Okay, what we have covered: image, text widgets, and button. Okay, now I would like to add button. If you want to add button, just mouse over it and left click, hold it and drag. If you see that you cannot drop here, you can also drop the button inside any column. Okay, just drop here and you see automatically there is a button, and on the content you can change the text of the button. Free download. You can link the button, opening a new tab, and here goes the link. I'm just going to link to it. And alignment, you can put it center, right, justify to make it full width. And button size, medium, large. And icon, if you want to put any icon, just download, icon, and after or before icon spacing, okay, center, icon space here, and change the style. If you want, you can change the style of the button. Just button border color, anytime change the style, or this button, free download. Okay, text color white, any color. Button type, border type, you can add border, solid border, not necessary, 9. And add border radius 20 pixel, it goes round, 40 pixel or 60 pixel. Padding, you can also add padding. And from the advanced, you can add margin of 10 pixel, padding of 20 pixel. Okay, motion effect and bouncing. Okay, bouncing down, bouncing up. That's all. Hit update. Again click on the box icon. So we completed the several widgets. Now it's all about this tutorial, and hope to see you in the next tutorial. In the next tutorial I'll work with the rest of the widgets. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.